Rand Food Corp presents a recipe for American brand Islam. Background: as Muslims living in North America, we are witnessing a new phenomenon: the mushrooming of Muslim organizations claiming to represent true Islam. They stress upon all to intermingle with the government agencies to enhance dialogue. At the same time, the harassment of Muslims and assault on Islam continues. The same groups hold glossy events and involve youth, and stress on the public that do not protest the U.S. crimes or Israel crimes against other Muslims here or abroad. Where is this phenomenon arising from? Who is behind this flurry of activity? Who is behind such networking? What kind of Islamic values are these groups giving to our youth? Are these groups trying to raise voice against oppression and against unjust rules against the Muslim community? Are we stronger as a Muslim community now? Let's start cooking American brand Islam. Let's start with the ingredients. The chef should be one healthy scholar type and must be able to justify all actions of American brand Muslims. A half-pound desire for money or 2 pounds craving for position. A quarter pound of shaky iman and 5 teaspoons of indifference. 3 chopped up priorities. Half a dozen over-the-counter lame excuses readily available. Loads of sugar and loads of cream. Artificial coloring and places for distribution. Step number 1. Take the desired